Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today, I thought we could just sit down, have a chat, and partake in the time-honored YouTube tradition of makeup anti-hauls. Yes, ma'am. So I'm gonna scooch over because we got some stuff to look at today. Let's just dive on in. The first thing that I want to talk about is this Chipotle Elf collection. I'm not going to be getting this just because I feel like everyone and their dog has it. It's just very hyped. But I just think that it's really cute. I think it's really cute and very clever on the part of Elf and Chipotle, because they made it like if you've ever been to Chipotle, like when you're going down the line, making your burrito or your burrito bowl, whatever, and it's got all the stuff laid out, like the lettuce and the sauces, salsas, not sauces, beans, rice, etc, etc, etc. So they kind of formatted the palette that way, and the color story kind of jibes with that as well. And then they've got a little avocado sponge. I just thought this was really cute and very clever. I love to give brands a hard time when they do stupid collabs and then they make it look stupid and the whole thing is stupid and they've like wasted a good idea with something stupid. You know what I mean? But kudos to you, Elf, for having a clever, fun idea. All right, y'all. So who else has noticed that cream blush is the thing lately? I believe that Patrick Ta came out with his little blush duo, and the rest is history. Everybody else wanted to make a cream blush because this one was just phenomenal, and everybody else wanted to copy him. I'm just kidding, mostly. I mean, I know that Patrick Ta didn't invent cream blush, but yeah, cream blush is like having a moment. Everybody's releasing cream blushes right now, including Colourpop. They have this new little cheek dew serum coming out, and then also someone else, Melt Causemetics, just came out with a cream blush as well. My proportions of powder blush to cream blush used to be like this, but it's like leveling out at this point. I've definitely been trying more cream blushes lately than I have powder blushes. So anyways, what is your favorite cream blush? Which one should I be trying? Obviously, Colourpop is going the affordable route. Melt is a little bit more luxury. I don't think I need either of them personally. I got so excited when I saw this because Fenty has a very distinctive packaging and aesthetic. I thought it was like a new makeup product, but no, this is their body sauce. Ugh. That sounds just so gross to me. I think it's supposed to be, it's like a body foundation, slash oil slash, I don't even know. I got like excited seeing the picture, and then when I figured out what it actually was, I was kind of like, never mind. Oh, did y'all see these 9-pan palettes that Sigma came out with? I thought these were gorgeous. There's too many of them. I don't need a single one of them. They're $29 each and $139 for the set of 6 9-pan palettes. I've never tried Sigma eyeshadows before, but I don't really have a huge desire to. If I was gonna try any of these, I think I would try the Ivy one and the hazy one. Maybe the rosy. The ritzy looks nice too. See, you see my dilemma. So this is what always happens to me when I like shop online. I'm like, ooh, I love this, I'm gonna get this one. Oh, but I also need to have this one. Oh, but I should also get this one. Oh, but I should also get this one. And I end up with a whole bunch of stuff in my cart, and I'm like, you know what? I don't need any of it. And I just walk away. Okay, so Dior has come out with some powders lately. Looks like they have this face powder, Backstage face and body powder, no powder. It's like a no powder powder. Okay, it's $40 for the little powder compact, which is honestly less than I would have expected from Dior, but it sounds like it's just like a pressed powder. Like it blurs imperfection, reduces shine. It's infused with a gel base and applies seamlessly on the skin for a natural, non-powdery effect. Okay, fun. For $40 though, I think I'm gonna pass. And then they also came out with this bronzer. Now this bronzer is quite beautiful, like the packaging that is. I bet the actual bronzer itself would be great. I don't know what this currency is, so I guess it's not available in the US, but these compacts look very bougie, very fun. So Colourpop, literally in back-to-back posts on Trend Mood's page, Colourpop has 2 separate launches. They had this little Bambi one, this Disney collab Bambi. Honestly, I thought this was super cute. I really liked the flower and the thumper palette. Bambi looks like literally half of my palette collection that I already own. And of course, it wouldn't be a Colourpop launch without some lip glosses. At least they're kind of branching out on their eyeshadow palette like design. They're not just sticking with those round pans. They've been doing some little like bar palettes lately. So, you know, they're branching out, they're getting out there, right? Their other collection was very cute. Their collections are always cute. Like I never see a Colourpop launch and I'm like, ugh. The issue is just that I see one Colourpop launch and then another Colourpop launch and then another until the point where I see them and I'm just like, ugh, because it's so much, you know what I mean? This other one that they came out with, I thought this was really cute as well, the Limoncello collection. I thought this color story was really fun with the kind of warm browns and like the mustard yellows. I'm not a big warm tone person, but I did enjoy this color story, and it's probably because of that little blue down there in the corner. I love a good blue with like a warm tone brown. I think that that always works well. Colourpop, anything you've ever wanted, go get it because they've got it. Oh, we've got another, I spotted another cream blush. This one is from Makeup Revolution, of course, of course. Say what you will about Makeup Revolution. Perhaps they have copied some other brands in the past. Perhaps they've done some shady business, and perhaps their quality isn't always where it should be. They're always on trend. They always know what's going on in the makeup community. Oh, something else from Fenty. Looks like we've got a Fenty hair coming out. So we've got Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, and then Fenty Hair. And probably that would be the order of priority for me when it comes to a brand like Fenty. Fenty makeup, absolutely. Fenty skincare, I've been wanting to try it, but I definitely don't need it. And if I'm gonna splurge on Fenty, I'd rather go makeup than skincare. And I'd rather go skincare than hair care. You know what I mean? Looks like Tarte's got a new concealer coming out. It's like a creamier version of the Shape Tape concealer. So this will be interesting to see what this concealer's like. I think I would like to try this one, maybe not immediately. I'm gonna wait until I can get it on sale because, spoiler alert, Tarte products always go on sale. Don't ever pay full price for anything Tarte. You can always find a sale or a deal or something when it comes to Tarte. So with that being said, I kind of do want to try this eye cream and their new ultra creamy formula. I don't know how this ultra creamy formula is going to work out because actual, like original Shape Tape, it's a very lightweight consistency, but it's very full coverage and it's very matte. So I'm wondering what the ultra creaminess is going to bring to the table in regards to Shape Tape. Like, is it going to be more hydrating? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. And then, I don't know, this other little Shape Tape ball thing looks like a little monster. That looks like it would be fun to play with, so I'm gonna get that too. Okay, folks, right now, I would like to introduce you to my brand new segment, Frivolous and Expensive Lip Balm. Yeah! Woo! Pew, 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 pew. So I don't know where you guys get your makeup news from. I get my makeup news from Trend Mood. She is my primary source for what is being released, what is new, what is trending, etc., etc., etc. She posts all of the big exciting stuff, but she also posts a lot of things that I'm just like, did we really need to bring extra attention to this? Was this really warranting its own post? Did this brand really need to make this announcement in this way? Because the product that they're pushing is Frivolous and Expensive Lip Balm, We have multiple contenders for the top spot today. Let's go ahead and count them down, starting with this LIQUILUST, the Marvelous Balm. With the tint of a lipstick and the hydration of a lip balm, this formula is enriched with superhero ingredients, including blah, 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 blah. So here is LIQUILUST's answer to lip balm. It is quite visually appealing, but it is lip balm and it is $18. Perhaps even more affronting is this creamy lip oil from Lime Crime. Go ahead and stop the presses, folks, because we've got a big one. Lime Crime has a new lip oil coming out. For $16, you can have this hydrating lip oil packed with moisturizing, nourishing, and hydration boosting properties that pamper your pout. Thanks, Lime Crime. But they didn't just stop there, folks. LIQUILUST, Lime Crime, they were cute, but Laneige came through with something even better. So why have an actual applicator or a stick form so that you can easily apply it to your lips when you could have a little pod with a scoopy thing to put your lip balm on? Hello, innovation, brands. I'm being highly sarcastic, by the way, if anybody hasn't picked up on that just yet. I should probably chill out, but these products just amuse me. They just do. A pearlescent daily lip treatment that coats lips in nourishing hydration, visibly smooths lips, wrinkles, and boosts the look of lip fullness. It's a lip balm. It's a lip balm, but guess what? It's $25 from Laneige. Finally, our big winner for this month's, week's, whatever, for this anti-haul is Sephora Favorites. Yes, ma'am. Sephora Favorites came out with a whole bag full of fancy lip balm that you can get for the bargain price, I guess, of $30. Not only do they have the Ilia Lip Wrap Clean Hydrating Lip Mask, but they also have the fresh Rose Petal Soft Deep Hydration Lip Balm. But don't forget about the Sephora Collection Clean Lip Balm and Scrub full size. Also, it comes with the Tarte Sea Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask in Strawberry Jelly. And finally, you're getting a full size Pat McGrath Lip Fetish Divinal Lip Shine in Nude Venus. So what? What have you accomplished this week? What are you doing? What are you bringing to this world? Because Sephora is making sure that all of our lips stay hydrated. So anyways, let me know what you think of my new segment, Frivolous and Expensive Lip Balms, because I'm loving it personally. Oh, I almost forgot about this new Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. What do we think? Natasha Denona is bringing us the color, friends. She's bringing us some fun, funky colors with this Circo Loco eyeshadow palette. For $129, you can look like you work for the circus. I actually think that this is quite fun, very pretty. It would be cute and fun to add to my collection, but I definitely don't need it. The colors are very pretty, but I can definitely, you know, muster up some of those colors, all of those colors really, from other palettes that I have. So of course I don't need it. Now I actually love the inside of the palette. I love the little violet border around the eyeshadow. Bonus points for anybody that understands why I love the violet border. But anyways, I actually really love the inside of the palette. The color story is beautiful. I don't like the front of it though, that like diamond pattern. Like I get that it's supposed to be like a circus, Circo Loco. I get that it kind of goes with the theme. I just think it's a really ugly pattern. Like I just feel like they could have done something a little more artistic, a little less Party City. I don't know. I didn't like the front of it, but let me know what you guys think. Finally, my friends, let's address the hairy lipstick in the room. Jaclyn Hill is coming out with a new liquid lipstick formula, Pout Spoken. That's actually really cute. Pout Spoken. outspoken. I gotta say, folks, I have never witnessed someone fumble multiple launches quite the way that Jaclyn Hill has. I kind of have two different perspectives on Jaclyn Hill. So number one, there's the consumer side of me that is just looking at makeup, you know? I don't have any sort of attachment to her or her brand. I personally have never been much of a Jaclyn Hill fan, not because I don't like her. I just sort of know about her as someone that consumes beauty content on YouTube and consumes makeup, but I never really watched her videos and I've never followed her, and like, you get it. For me, I look at Jaclyn Hill Causemetics the same way I would look at, you know, anything else at Sephora or Ulta, the same way I would look at Melt, Colourpop, Dior. Like, it's just another brand. And so from that perspective, I just sort of take it in for what it is and am deciding from there, you know, what I think about it as a product without any sort of backstory to it, you know? So from that perspective, it looks like there are some beautiful shades that I would love in this collection. It's all pretty nude. It's all pretty neutral. It's a little bit expensive for a liquid lipstick that I don't have any sort of personal investment in. You know, I haven't ever tried her formula before. It's a brand new product for them. And it's a little bit pricey from what I understand. It's $20 for the liquid lipstick and then $18 for the lip liners, which seems high to me. Seems high. Just from a basic consumer perspective, it looks cute. Probably gonna wait till it goes on sale. You know what I mean? My other perspective, of course, is the beauty YouTuber fan within me. Even though I've never really watched Jaclyn Hill, I'm of course very much aware of her and her work. And I'm also very much aware of the trouble she's had in the past with various things, but particularly with lipsticks. We've had a little bit of trouble, right? So there is that curiosity in me to like want to get it and see what it's like. I feel like she probably has a really good handle on creating makeup though. Like, I feel like the products she makes are probably very good quality and probably function very, very well. She's good at what she does in terms of makeup and YouTube. She's had some trouble elsewhere, but I do feel like I would trust her judgment when it comes to the quality of products. Quality control, that's a whole different issue, but you know what you get what I'm saying, right? There are a lot of people out there that really love Jaclyn Hill and learned a lot from Jaclyn Hill. I know my girl Mary, she said that she was gonna go pick some up, so you might go check out her channel. I will link it below so that you can go see when she gets some of those and tries them out, because she loves Jaclyn Hill. So she was like, I gotta support, you know, that's my girl. And I was like, hey, I get it. If Tati weren't just a ghost, I would be in the same boat. But anyways, but let me know what you guys think as always. Should we trust Jaclyn Hill? Are we satisfied with the non-answer that she gave us to the hairy lipsticks and the other things, you know? As always, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll come back and watch another one again very soon. So I will see you in that next video. Okay, bye.